Hello everyone. In this video, I shall be talking about describe images. It is one of the easiest tasks in PTE. Describe image only contributes in speaking, but still it is very important. So in this video, I shall talk about how to perform this task wisely and also give you a template. So in your exam, you might have to deal with 3 to 4 describe images and you are marked on the basis of content, fluency and pronunciation. To score 90 out of 90 in content, you have to cover all the key or main points given in the picture. So in your exam, you might get some random picture or pie chart, line graph or bar graph. Now comes fluency. Fluency, in order to score 90 out of 90 in fluency, you have to maintain the flow of your tone. Don't go too fast, not too slow. Just maintain the tone of your rhythm. And last but not the least, pronunciation. Pronounce all the keywords properly. And remember, if you find any word difficult to pronounce, don't pronounce it. Remember, you will be given a picture. You have to speak for 25 to 35 seconds. You will get 25 seconds for preparation. Utilize that time wisely. During the preparation time, go through all the main/key points. Your quality matters more than your quantity. If you can't describe the image on your own, then follow the template. Don't forget, templates are only useful if you use them smartly. So this is the template. Please memorize it and use it wisely. Remember, your fluency matters. It plays the most crucial role here. Don't hesitate, don't fumble. Speak as naturally and as clearly as possible. But if you make any mistake, don't try to correct it and don't break your fluency. I'll show you an example. Well, I have a very beautiful picture in front of me. Let me have a closer look at the picture. After closely observing the picture, I can see that the title of the picture is Box Office Revenue by Movie Genre. It is a very beautiful picture which includes revenue in millions of dollars. It is a very beautiful picture which also includes action, comedy, drama, thriller, horror, science fiction, documentary and animation. From the picture I can see movie genre. From the picture I can also see the maximum and minimum element as well, and they are horror and documentary respectively. To conclude, it is a very beautiful picture which has box office revenue by movie genre. Thank you. So as you can see, I've scored 83 out of 90. The AI used in the real exam is completely different from the websites. Summary: utilize the 25 seconds wisely, figure out all the main points, start speaking after the beep sound, use the template properly and maintain the fluency. You have to maintain your fluency, it plays very important role here.